Get better performance from your portable bandsaw with the Bahco 10 TPI Professional Portaband Blade. This high-caliber blade greatly reduces problematic vibrations when cutting. The 44 7/8 inch long Portaband blade will fit most standard models and will excel in cutting materials ranging from 3/16 of an inch up to 1/4 inch thickness. The 10 TPI blade cuts prime applications such as a Schedule 40 2-inch pipe, tubing, rigid conduit for electrical, pipe, and threaded rod. The teeth of the 10 TPI blades are designed with a large backer so it withstands the high impact and stresses of going in and out of materials. This design also improves blade life and leaves a clean, workable finish. Bahco's patented laser tooth etching and patented heat-treated tooth geometry helps reduce stripping and increases blade life. At Sawblade.com, we manufacture quality American bandsaw blades that are made to order, and we also offer an extensive line of sawing products. We sell circular blades, coolant, machines, and aftermarket parts, so you can think of Sawblade.com as your one-stop shop for all of your sawing needs. Thank you for watching, and please check out Sawblade.tv for more in-depth videos, product overviews, and tech tips to take your cutting game to the next level. I'm Celeste, Product Specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.